They're throwing the big pieces of cheese in the mill, chopping it up to make little pieces of cheese curd. They'll be making Bravo Farms Chipotle Cheddar.